Hey Maurice, where are you heading to?
I'm on my way turning unmeetables into unbeatables. Look at this. So here we can demonstrate all of the professional audio devices that we've got. So we've got headsets for knowledge workers, to contact centers to speak to, and we've also provided a working from home solution. And last but not least, we've got a whole meeting room inside.
Where we demonstrate our great Jabra Panicas 50 and its great features, like the whiteboard. But Maurice, why should we use a Jabra professional headset?
I think we should let Jabra just explain.
Hi, I'm Jess. This is a professional audio device, and why should I use one?